Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Today is March 19th, so today marks 1 month from when we plan on leaving this house. We want to do April 19th because our anniversary, our 1 year anniversary is coming up for our wedding, and we want to celebrate that by traveling and renewing our vows in Vegas.
I told God I'll be back in a second. Man, it's so hard not to act reckless.
We are going to give you guys a play-by-play on how our days are going to go leading up to us moving full-time into our RV, which right now is literally still in demo mode. So we're going to be hoss-maiming it to the finish line, and we're going to get it done, but it's going to be an interesting adventure.
Hey, look at our little shower now. Just kidding. It's still freezing.
And now we have our toast!
Yum, 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 yum.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum.
We sing too.
I feel like we waited so long, the toast is cold.
I know.
So good though.
Eat your toast warm, kids. You know, when you leave avocado out like that, that's how you make avocado oil. It's from the brown stuff, not from the seeds.
Well guys, this is our vlog.
This is a better time lapse.
That's how we make coffee, because our coffee popper.
My love.
All right. Now we're all Wim Hofed, coffeeed up. So we're gonna go outside, take a look at Bessie, and see what our plans are for the day. Ugh. Bessie! We've been doing quite a bit of demolition work, so she's already pretty much torn up inside, and we are very close to being done with all the demo. Hopefully, I feel like I've said that so many times. Cozy. But I think we're gonna make a lot of progress, and we'll show you all about it.
Keys.
Keys. We have a plan.
I do.
Today, we are going to be taking off this refrigerator hood and the AC unit. So both of these are coming out. That will be gone. And then there's water damage right there. It's leaking in, so we're gonna fix all that. But we're gonna take that out for now. We've got our tools. Now we go up the staircase of death. Only because the wood is so rotten on the inside that it's not very stable. But you know what? Yellow! Carefully. Outside. So this is what our roof looks like.
This fan that was here, and then in this spot was actually our horn. There's like two horns. We still have our horn in the inside part, but this was like an extra external horn that was like super rusted. And we were able to take off. We're gonna take off this old antenna, our AC in it, and this vent.
I'm gonna have to scrape off this. And we got a couple little screws in here. Fix down here more of this guy. Let's do it. Nice.
Protect my eyes. It's so bright up here.
Those baby blues.
More tools.
Okay. Take that off. It's really nice when it comes off. It's like one piece.
Like flakes off, you know?
It's coming off. Look how long. That's success. It's a good piece.
Nice.
Just a bit more.
Finding random screws, you know? When it doesn't come up, there's probably a screw. It's like sealed onto the roof, but like this separate little box is like super glued onto the wood, so it's a whole different rhino.
Try and pry it off. Next, the antenna while we work on that guy. Good luck. Let's do this little guy. This little guy. So we're getting the satellite out. All the screws are out. I scraped away as much as I could, and now my pick's getting it out from the bottom. Hey, what's going on there?
Oh, hey.
Please. Huge. Woo, baby! I see progress. Looking good. got it. You got it. Oh my goodness. Yeah, baby. Get her done. Damn. Got him. Oh shit. Hey babe. Oh my gosh. It's free. Oh man. There it goes. Oh man. It's glorious.
Alright, now it's ready to come down.
Oh my gosh. Hold on, I have to do this in slow-mo.
Look at that bare ass top.
Woo! Looking good.
That looked at even that part's not sunken in anymore. Look at how big this thing is.
Huge.
Oh yeah. Some without my glove on and I cut my finger. It hurt. Look at that. Ow. Taking off the handle we don't use. How easy that came out. Boom. The right tool is a world of wonder. I didn't even lose my original bit. It's amazing.
Wow. Okay, so now we've got all this off. Looks like it's the aluminum. So all these screws, especially on the bottom, were rusted out and there's clear water damage on the inside on the Luan. So we are taking it all off so that we can reseal it, and it's super gross. And Bessie looks so crazy right now in front of our house. There's like holes everywhere, just covered up. Oh my gosh. Meanwhile, what you doing over here?
I'm gonna take off this door.
This was for the refrigerator hood, right?
Yep. Now the only thing is
It's
this.
the aluminum, so maybe we should take this off first.
Yep. We'll have to come
Yeah.
off first.
Let's do that.
Second time not wearing a glove. Wear gloves too, it helps. I'm gonna get mine.
Alright. Well, I think that's gonna do it for us today. We're tired.
A lot torn out.
We got a lot more torn out. The never-ending demolition. I think tomorrow we're gonna plan on like patching stuff up.
Going to the dump.
Go into the dump, getting rid of everything that we have accumulated. But the good news is we're pretty much done taking off panels from the wall.
Yep.
So we're pretty much done with that. Now it's just a little more of the ceiling and the floor. So we're getting closer. You know, this is day 30. We got 29 more to go. So we're gonna clean up, make some dinner, edit our videos, and we'll see you tomorrow, bright and early.
Thanks for tuning in.
Well,
Great job, babe.
thanks. Good job to yourself.
Thank you.
We did a good job today.
Yeah, we did.
Now my body's just tingling because I'm tired.
Time to rest.
Time to rest, recoup, come back strong tomorrow. What time is it?
5:09.
5:09. We did a little 9 to 5-er today.
9 to 5.
That was good.
What a way to make a living. This is definitely is.
Oh my gosh, okay.
See you
Well,
tomorrow.
see you tomorrow.
Go hard. Time to go what?
Time to go hard.